Alright, it's my critical analysis of identity in GTA 5. Alright, so first, like the article, can you create identity about yourself? I think it was the Paradox one. In this game, unlike, there's good avatar customization, but you can actually build your own character in this game. Many people try to make it just like them. You know, it kind of gives them a chance to live out their fantasy in a whole new world. Be whoever you want. Like in a TED Talk, he stated, people want to try being different characters. I have plenty of friends who play who made their character that looks like somebody totally not like them. They just thought it'd be cool, try to be like someone else. So basically in this game, you get thrown into a big open world. Just a warning, GTA 5 is very addictive, so I agree with the article that points out the fact that video games are very addictive. So in this game, it kind of gives you a sense to do some things that you might do in the real world, kind of emulate your life. Like I definitely play tennis, and one day probably will make a trip to a casino, hopefully. And so yeah, you can do some things like you would normally do. You can also do some things you wouldn't normally do, kind of live out the fantasy. Now in this game, it's probably not good examples. There's tons of violence and illegal stuff. But, it gives you a chance to kind of explore who you are, if you enjoy doing certain things. Crime's not the only thing in the game. Like in a TED Talk, he said, video games, the whole industry's about connecting, building, tying all the strings together. This game's maybe one of the closest to that. Obviously, it's thousands of different mini servers going on at the same time, but, I've met probably more anybody than any game I've ever played in GTA 5. So it's a good opportunity to see how you are with other people around the world, interact. In this game, it's, do you kill the person, steal their stuff, or do you, collaborate to do cool stuff? So it really gives you a good chance to build some social skills in this game. Like I say, you can share the experience in a TED Talk. He also mentioned how streaming is becoming a big thing. GTA 5 is one of the most popular stream things on Twitch for the past couple of years. Since it's been out, it's a huge game, very popular. People do some role play and stuff that, kind of emulates real life. Just shows who they are. Maybe you might find out you like some of the same stuff. And gain motivation, maybe one of the bigger ones that I often, in one article, states how, how you think about video games a lot. And I use this game, it kind of gives me motivation looking at all the things you can get, make a living, earn money, buy stuff. Like, it really gives me hope, some drive. I don't want to be a criminal master lord, obviously, but, I definitely want some things in life